How to install mods in Hollow Knight Silksong. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for Silksong and followed by Thunderstore. Now click on the first link, which is this one right here. It should take you to the Silksong website with all the available mods. First you want to click on the Bipinix Silksong and download it. Now you want to click on the manual download from here and it should download a zip file. Now open it up and basically drag the the folder basically that you find in here. First you want to extract it to your desktop. Now you want to open up the installation path or installation folder of the game. So first you will need to open up Steam and then right click on Hollow Knight Silksong and then click on Manage and Browse Local Files. And it should open up the installation folder. Now in this folder you want to drag the Bipinix pack, basically open the folder before you drag it. And then you will find the Bipinix folder inside. You want to copy everything and drag it to the Hollow Knight installation folder. And then close this. Now inside the Bipinix folder right here, if you open it up, you should find a plugins folder. And if you for some reason don't see a plugins folder, just right click and create a new folder and call it plugins. Now go back to the website and look for the mods that you want to install. So basically currently there is 3 mods available. The first one, which adds a floating clone hat with an arrow pointing towards your hornet. And the second one is no Vignette plugin, which basically disables the dark Vignette that follows the player around in the game, which might be useful if you want to install this. And the third one is a free compass, which is basically a compass that costs 0 and doesn't need to be equipped to be able to use it. So in order to download these mods, you'll basically click on the mod page or click on the mod itself and scroll down and click on manual download. And that should download another zip file. So first you want to grab the zip file to your desktop, just like this, and then extract its content. You should basically grab only the DLL file. Now you want to place the DLL file inside the game's installation folder. Go to Bipinix plugins and drag this one right here. Now once you finish that, you should basically do the same steps for all the mods that you want to install by dragging their DLL files into this folder right here. Now before using that, you should basically launch Hollow Knight Silksong once. Now once the game is running for the first time after basically copying the Bipinix to its installation directory, just quit the game. And after that, go ahead in the Bipinix folder and paste your downloaded mods plugins or DLL files into this folder. So for example, we have pasted already the free compass. Now the Vignette, you want to press manual download. Open the zip file again and drag the Vignette plugin DLL outside. And then move it into the plugins folder inside Bipinix. And now once you're done setting up the mods you want to use, just close this folder and run Hollow Knight again. And just wait for this to load the game. And now as you can see, when you load into a game and start playing, you should be able to see the mods are working. So for example, this clone hat right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe.